Here's what happens when you stay outside for too long.
In today's video, I'm going to show how you can make yourself sunburnt inside of Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to hold down Option and move this video clip above it to copy and paste it. I'm going to turn down that volume. Go into Effects. I'm going to apply Emroto AI. Now I start highlighting my arms and face. You can do the same thing with the mask and just do a rough mask around the person using the tracker. Click on move forward. After it's finished, I'll go to output, click on masked video. I go over to the color and click on hue, saturation, curves. Click on hue versus hue. Click on the brush tool. And so you'll go ahead and just click onto your skin. You can now go right here to this circle, and when you move the color, it changes the color so you can turn green like the Incredible Hulk. But I just want to move this upwards a little bit to make it a little bit more red. And now I'll go ahead and add a color board. Go over saturation, and you can now basically just move up saturation and make yourself look really red, like you're super sunburnt. And that is it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.